In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import notes from Notion to Obsidian, with a full guide that's going to take just about 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and efficient, ensuring a smooth transition between these two powerful note-taking applications. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into Notion and open up the page that contains the notes you want to export. This is your starting point, so make sure it's the correct page with all the information you want to transfer. Next, head over to the top right corner of that page in Notion, and you'll see 3 little dots. Clicking on these will open up a menu where you should select the Export option. Now, when it comes to choosing the format for your exported files, I recommend opting for HTML. While Markdown is commonly used, it sometimes skips certain content, which isn't what we want. With HTML, you ensure a comprehensive export of all your notes. Additionally, don't forget to select Include Subpages. This is crucial as it ensures that all subnotes and their contents are included in your export. Once you've set these options, Notion will either start downloading a zip file directly or send it to your email. Be a bit patient here, as it may take a few moments for the download to appear, depending on the size of your notes. Switching over to Obsidian, open the application and head into the Settings menu. From there, navigate to the Community Plugins section. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to enable Community Plugins by clicking on Turn on Community Plugins. This step is essential as it allows you to install additional functionality within Obsidian. Once enabled, you'll have the option to browse through plugins. Click Browse and search for the Importer plugin. After locating it, go ahead and click Install, and then enable the plugin. With the plugin installed, you'll now notice a new icon for the importer appearing on the left sidebar in Obsidian. Click on it to bring up the importer window. In this window, you'll want to set the file format as Notion, ideally selecting zip, since this is the format we exported earlier. With that set, click Choose File and select the zip file you downloaded from Notion. Next, choose your desired output folder in Obsidian. This is where all your imported notes will reside, so pick a location that makes organizing easy for you. Finally, click Import and let the tool do its job. Once the import is complete, the new notes will appear in Obsidian. Take a moment to go through them, ensuring everything has transferred correctly. As a last step, spend a little time organizing and cleaning up your imported notes. This will make them easier to navigate and ensure you can find what you need, when you need it. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully moved your notes from Notion to Obsidian. Enjoy organizing and refining your new workspace. Thank you for watching.